What's up, second grade? How's it going? You guys have been learning how to read and interpret pictographs. Now we're going to learn how to create pictographs. It should be fun. Everyone is super smart, so everyone should be awesome at this. So some of you may know that Mrs. Pollack's son absolutely loves dinosaurs. He loves his dinosaurs, loves playing with them, so I decided to make a pictograph of his entire dinosaur collection. He probably has way more than this, but we're going to go do with what I have up here. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when making a pictograph is you are going to want to sort and tally your items. Usually when you're creating a pictograph, there's usually a bunch of pictures or there's something that you need to count or tally. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, again, sort, and you're going to tally the amount, get the total amount of each item. So I went ahead and already sorted each dinosaur. Now we just need to get the totals. So we're going to start with our purple dinosaur, and we have 2 of them. Next we're going to move on to is our green dinosaur. And there's 4 of those. Kind of looks like Reptar, if you ever watched Rugrats. Now we're going to move on to our blue dinosaur. There's 2 of those. And then last, our orange dinosaur. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 orange dinosaurs. All right. So now we have them sorted, and we have our totals. So the next thing we need to do is look at our key. Remember, our key is super, super, super important, because the key, especially when creating them, is going to tell us what our symbol is, and then it's going to tell us, again, what the symbol means. So it says each footprint stands for 2 dinosaurs. So now we know that our footprints is going to be our symbols, and then it says 1 footprint equals, so 1 footprint is going to be equal to 2 dinosaurs. So now we know what our symbol is and what they mean. So now we're going to start having to put our symbols in for each item. So we're going to start with our purple ones. So the purple dinosaur, we said that there's 2 total. So remember, there's 1 footprint equals 2 dinosaurs. So we have 2 dinosaurs here, so that should be 1 footprint. So now we move on to our green dinosaur. So we have 4 here. So you could say, so one of the ways you could do it is you could group it. So every 2 you could group it. So here's 2, which is going to give me that 1. And then here's another 2, which gives you another footprint. So you could group it like that, or you could just count by 2s. So we know 2 is 1. So 2, 4, 2, 4. So I knew there was 2. Now we move on to our blue dinosaur. There's 2. As we know, 1 footprint equals 2. So this one only gets 2, or 1. And then we move on to our orange. So let's count by 2s to see how many we need for our orange. So we need 4. 2, 4. So we need 2. Again, we could have did the same thing what we did with the green. We could have sorted them and so we got 2 together. So we know that's 1. And another 2, which gives us the second one. Now, if our keys would have told us that each footprint stands for 1 dinosaur, then we would have known that every single dinosaur in here would have got a footprint for every dinosaur. So for the purple one, if there's 2 dinosaurs, it would have got the 2 footprints. For the green one, it would have got 4 footprints, because if 1 footprint equals to 1 dinosaur, it would just be the amount of how many total you have to how many footprints. I hope this is helpful, and hope you guys enjoy this.